Hey guys and welcome, and in this video I am going to be unboxing the Cosmic Byte Neon Mechanical Blue Switch gaming keyboard, which, as you can see, this is the box. This is, what else does it say here? So it says colorful, steady, colorful, streaming, ripple. Oh, so these are different light patterns that you can get in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 7 different light patterns. It says rainbow LED and all key anti-ghosting. What else do we have? It's a full-size keyboard, tactile and reactive keys. Okay, the upper part is metal. These are mechanical keys. The WASD are mechanical keys, and these are blue switch keys. Okay, let's see what else you have. Let's turn it around. Okay, so you have some more information given at the back. It's a compact mechanical keyboard, blue Outemu mechanical key switches, full-size keyboard with 104 keys, 50 million plus operations for each key, injection molding double shot color keycaps, simultaneous operation for all keys without any key ghosting effect. Okay, win key lock windows button can be disabled. Okay, USB connection for laptops and PCs. It has a long lasting aluminium body and adjustable backlight brightness, so you can adjust the backlight brightness, which is a useful feature to have. Otherwise, the color is black. It weighs 980 grams, give or take 5 grams. It's a rainbow backlight LED, and the cable length is 1.8 meters. Okay, and what else? So this is the part number is the CBGK12. So this is the Cosmic Byte Neon Rainbow Mechanical Keyboard with blue switch. Part number CBGK12. Again, I mentioned it has Outemu blue keys, and there you go. So let's just go ahead and open this up. So just remove that from there. This comes apart, and okay, there's one little. There you go. So on opening the box, that's what it comes with. I'll just remove that. So you get, we'll come to that, there are some documents. Put the box to one side. Okay, so this is the keyboard. Let's take it out. So it's almost weighs a kilo, so it's quite heavy. As you can see, Cosmic Byte. So your keys, and it's a 1.8 meter long cable. Right at the back, you do get the option to have this raised, so it can sit. Quite raised. Keys are quite loud. The keycaps are quite loud. So it gives you the feel. Apart from the keyboard, you also get this user manual, right? So I would recommend you can give it a read. And this is a tool to probably take out the keys. Okay, so there you are, folks. So that was the unboxing of the Cosmic Byte Neon Mechanical Blue Switch gaming keyboard. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.